So I'm here based in Australia and things are looking pretty good for us. It does mean that we're going to be finally heading back into the lab. And I'm going to be honest, I'm looking forward to it for a number of different reasons. Number one, I think my physical activity has significantly dropped since the coronavirus outbreak. And this is because I really enjoy cycling or running into work. And so not being able to go to work means that I haven't been running or cycling. So I'm really looking forward to getting back to that regular routine, getting back into the lab, but also becoming a lot more healthy. On the flip side, I must say that my pipette thumb no longer has RSI after a couple of months off, so that's been a good thing. But I am getting a little bit itchy, ready to get back into normal lab life. Now, obviously in the preparation, I've been spending the last couple of months planning experiments, trying to figure out what's the next thing to do. And it's really been good to sort of see the support of the entire community, helping band together and help get resources where they need to, but then also helping researchers be prepared to get back in the lab, when things finally open. So I'm not only excited to get back in the lab as part of my academic research role, but also talking to other researchers as part of my science communication business called Excite Science. So together, I think we can make a comeback, and let's get back into it. Ha! I got the pussycat. I got the pussycat. I got the pussycat. I don't think she likes being held. She wants food.